Alright, so this is an audio test. Right now the air vent is going. I do not have my phone out. Now I'm going to take out my phone, and I'm holding it in front of the computer. So it's not on yet, it's just holding it where I usually read when I narrate. Now I'm activating the screen, swiping to log in, and then I'm going to open an app right now. So now I have Facebook open. I'm going to close out of the app. Now I'm going to leave my screen on, but back away from the computer a bit, so that I'm sitting a little bit back farther on my chair. Now I'm coming closer and holding my phone off to the right of the screen so that it's not actually in front of the computer.